everyone, I'm Lisa. Very nice to meet you in this video. Today I will introduce Neway popular slant bed CNC-less NL251HP to you. Now follow me to the CNC-less facility. Neway produces more than 1,500 sets slant bed CNC-less per year. NL251HP is Neway hot sales small CNC-less model in the world. Let me show some details of this model to you. Integrated slant bed, 45 degrees to realize high rigidity and stability. X-axis guide waistband is over 400 mm. Z-axis guide waistband is over 300 mm. Very wide guide waistband to realize NL251HP machine much higher stability. C3 level ball screw with double nuts, pre-strength assembly to guarantee the X and Z-axis high precision. P-level linear way, higher precision, and higher travel speed. Every screw is fastened by the torque wrench to realize the machine with very high precision and high standard. Central lubrication system for the full machine to guarantee the long-term machine running. Great reinforced jib in the machine bed to realize the machine bed stronger and with higher rigidity. Swing over bed diameter is 550 mm, X travel 240 mm, Z travel 455 mm, turning diameter 320 mm, turning length 435 mm. 11 and 15 kW spindle motor, small size machine with bigger machining capacity. Excellent protection cover design, beautiful, waterproof, and convenient for operation and maintenance. 826 spindle with bigger 76 mm spindle bore diameter, 4,000 rotation per minute, 8-inch hydraulic hollow chuck to realize various parts machining. 12-position hydraulic turret, quick tool change, high indexing precision. Hydraulic tail stalk with the lock pin. The tail stalk body can be driven by the Z-axis slide board. M-code control is available. Hydraulic pressure gauges at the front of machine cover, easy for monitoring and adjustment of the hydraulic pressure. Auto-chip conveyor and chip cart to make operators working easy. Reasonable pipelines design to realize neat layout and easy maintenance. Hydraulic unit and transformer are installed with the machine bed together, easy for transportation and movement. High-class electronic parts to guarantee the machine stable running without problem for long term. Thank you for your attention. Hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye.